How to make repellent from dishwashing detergent. Dishwashing detergent can be made into a soapy mixture that is a repellent for insects. Spraying toxic repellent on a fruit or vegetable might just not have a negative on the plant, but it can be dangerous to consume. A simple mixture of dishwashing detergent and water will repel insects and keep your garden edible and safe. Things you will need: dishwashing detergent, 1 gallon bucket, spray bottle. Pour 5 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent into a large container or bucket filled with a gallon of warm water. Stir the mixture together. Make sure the dishwashing detergent is blended well. Transfer the mixture into a small spray bottle. Spray every part of the plant. Make sure you spray in hidden places such as underneath the leaves. Spray the mixture on the ground and in the soil surrounding the plant. Repeat this process after each watering, as water will eventually eliminate the soapy mixture from the ground and from the plants.